other flag bearers of the party. I invite and request those who are still thinking of standing as independent, that the party is requesting you to reconsider your stand and let us rally support behind all flag bearers. This is a party campaign. It is not an individual campaign. Your Excellency and members, as I conclude, we started this journey on the 28th of February 2024 with the update of the party register. We digitalized this register. We went through party structure elections. We held delegates conference. We elected national leaders. Today we are nominating a presidential flag bearer. On the 29th of this month, we shall be launching our manifesto for the campaigns. And again, we shall invite a few of you to come for the launch of the manifesto that will be our working documents. Our social contract and the promises we shall make to Ugandans will all be contained in the manifesto we shall be launching. We thank you so much. We wish you all the best. We thank you for coming in this big number, and may God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Twebaza Secretary General wa NRM n'abalala aboogedde naddala abasembye candidate wa NRM nga bamuyozaayoza okuba nti amaze okuwandiisibwa ate n'okulaga nti olw'ebyo by'akoze asaanidde okwongera okutukulembera. Your Excellency President, ate chairman wa NRM, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, Jajja waffe, Saabalwanyi, ate Saabawanguzi, teriyo lutalo lw'okulembera ne tutaluwangula. N'olwekyo ne ku mulundi guno tuli bamativu nti ogenda kutukulembera okututuusa ku buwanguzi. Mukama wange kkiriza tuli na bannaffe abayimbi, ekitongole, the entertainment industry has reached where they have reached because of the peace and stability and the enabling environment that you put up. And therefore that is why I am the Master of Ceremonies here as the Deputy Secretary General of NRM, assisted by Honorable Katoto Hatwip. And on the other side, we have our brother Bebe Kulsali leading the other side. And allow me, sir, to invite him to give us some entertainment from his team, and then we shall fall suit. NRM way!
Ladies and gentlemen, we're introducing Pastor Twino Abad Kona tugende kune DJ Oh, wait, and I hear somebody want you must have me chorus. Everybody. Aye. Go. Savisaniga. Wemale. Binode na fuka. Savisaniga. Umina kuyesu. Balala baba tamayamba. Yeah. Balala baba basuma. Wemale. Chani chisa. Chani chisa, chantasa, chantane kuba, amamukama, hallelujah. Chisale kuba, chatonya kuze, hallelujah. Come on, hallelujah. Hallelujah. Chisale kuba, chatonya kuze, hallelujah. Uya, ono bwemu namu. Ah. Wanike mikono tuwaze mukama kula mzei. Tuwaze Yesu kula mzei wafe. Ah. 1, 2, 3, we go. Sunny, sun. Everybody. Come on, everybody. Come on. Come on. Sunny, sun. Sunny, sun. Everybody. Silita, the sunny, sun. Everybody, mukama. Yes, chantasa, chantane kuba. Alasani na Museveni kusema na wetuti. Alasani na Museveni, hallelujah. Echisange, abasaba Museveni itemu, hallelujah. Ebibi byange, detandate. Ronald Maida!
Omuntu bw'akola ekyo ky'asuubira kyokwe muli mubuuzo gwa butumwa eyeesiye n'abantu be awulira essanyu mu ye nkakasa ekyo muzeeyi okikoze oyiriddewo Uganda obubiri abaala bakwesimbako we bagwa akalulu kako muzeeyi akalulu kako muzeeyi tukuvuma muzeeyi manyaluwa naye okwata bulungi ensonga amagezi go n'okumanya lino eggwanga likyabyagala omuntu asembeza abalabe be n'obabuuza be balina ensonga wadde abamu bagamba oli mubire tosinza okote n'amiini muzeeyi buli alina kyakutta mukono akiwanike buli alina kyakutta mukono patishati muzeeyi wadde wakyaliwo ebiganyi n'ebyokozeeko birabika okukyusa mutu kwagala era tubuliddwa kwekala ng'omuntu azza wangula abajasi twabasobye okukuba omudongo muzeeyi akalulu kako muzeeyi akalulu omuzeeyi omuyifuma kyaffe yagamba nti okwaka. Thank you so much.
Allow me at this particular time invite the second National Vice Chairperson of the NRM, Right Honorable Anita Annette Among, the Speaker of the Parliament of Uganda to come and speak to us. We again want to welcome you. Remember, members, when we were here, we were electing the leadership of the party. And therefore, we have the vice chairpersons of the party of Central Region, Northern Region, Eastern Region, Western Region, Karamoja and Kampala, plus all the chairpersons of all the leagues. Museveni oye! Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Museveni, and the NRM candidate for President 2026-2031, Mama Janet Museveni, the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, the SEC members who are here, the ministers, the members of Parliament, and all the protocol observed. Your Excellency, today is not my day. All the people who are here are waiting to hear your word. But before I call the first National Vice Chairperson, we want to thank you for transforming this country from instability to stability, from despair to hope, from poverty to opportunity. As we celebrate the peace and stability in Uganda, the security that you have brought in Uganda, we as the women of Uganda can assure you that we are going to give you our unwavering support and look for the vote. The youth of Uganda are ready to support NRM and make sure this time we get 80+% of the vote. And as I said, we come with new energies and we'll make sure we deliver the vote. We want you to continue protecting our gains. May the good Lord bless you, bless NRM, bless Uganda. As you continue leading Uganda, we love you as our president, and we want to thank you for accepting to be our candidate of NRM. God bless you. I want to take this singular honor to invite Ahari Kololo, the first national vice chairperson of the mighty party, NRM.
Your Excellency, the President of Uganda, and our chairman, the First Lady, Mama Janet Museveni, the Right Honorable Prime Minister, Deputy Speaker of Parliament, our former Vice President, Museveni, Ladies ladies and gentlemen, allow me first of all to use this opportunity to congratulate our chairman for having gone through the nominations. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Today, we are opening up a new chapter, which the President is going to talk about. But I want to thank all of you who have come to this function. We are very grateful, and we thank you very much, and we thank you for your support. Please keep it up. We appreciate that. Your Excellency, allow me, sir, to introduce to you the former SEC members who are here. I will ask them to stand up so that they can wave to you. Can you stand up, former SEC members? In the same vein, I want also to introduce to you the new elected SEC members. Can you please also stand up and wave to His Excellency? The new group which I'm going to work with, I wish to thank the PFU for the support which they have said here they are going to support the movement. That's very good. We need to work together.